Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. Today's tutorial, we're going to look at how we can add or remove softwares from our Kali Linus distribution. As a Linus user or as a hacker, why is this necessary? Sometimes we need to add softwares that does not come with our distribution. That's by installing it onto our operating system. Sometimes too, we need to remove unwanted software so that it doesn't take hard drive spaces. So this is why it is necessary as a Linux user or as a hacker to know how you can add or remove softwares from a distribution. For some softwares to run smoothly, it requires you to download other softwares. That's some software, mini software that depends on the main software before you can run your work smoothly. So this type of software that we install are called software packages. It's a group of files, that's libraries and other dependencies that we need for one piece of software to run successfully. So we need to know how this one to work. So when we install the software package, all the other files, the dependencies, install along with it so that we can simply use the software that we want to use. So in this episode, we are going to look at 3 ways that we can install softwares to our computer or our Linux distribution. So let's open our terminal and start doing the work. So the first one we are going to talk about is using the apt command. So the 3 ways, we have the apt package manager, the GUI based installation managers, and the Git. In this video, we are going to look at how we can use the apt package manager to install and to remove software packages from our Linux distribution. Okay, so before we do the installation, I have a share, my favorite share that I use. If you don't know what a share is, I have previous videos explaining how shares work, so you can go and watch that video. The link is in the description below. So before we download a software package, we need to check if that software package is available in our repository. When we say repository, it is where the operating system stores its information. So we need to check whether it's there or not. So that's what we will do first. So to remove with the apt get command, we use the apt get then remove snot. So I have a bash shell, I have the zsh, I have tmos, I have pwsh, then I have the fish share here. So we are going to remove the fish share. After that, we install it again. We can also use the apt cache command to find out if we have that fish share in our repository. So we can run we have many directories that contain the word fish. Let me minimize this thing. Let's see if we find where is this thing. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's move straight to the remove. After that, we do the apt install to install it back. So don't worry. Always remember to run this with a sudo command, although we can run it straight. Some will work. It depends on the permissions that you have on the machine. So it's better you run it straight with the sudo command. Okay, so sudo apt get remove, then the software package that you want to remove, you bring the name of that software package. So in our in this case we are going to write fish, type your password. Okay, it's giving us a warning that the following package will be removed. Yeah, this fish package will be removed. After this operation, we will get 5,628 kilobyte disk space. That will be free. So if your disk is full, you can remove unwanted softwares. Do you want to continue? Yes, you want to continue. So let's wait for a while for this to finish. After that, we use the apt install command to install it back. Okay, so it has finished removing the package. Let's check if it was successful. Let's go to our share repository and check if it's there. Yeah, fish is no more here. The fish share is no more here. So if you type fish, command not found, locate fish. Okay, although we have some other repositories that contain the keyword fish, but let's see if we have the etc directory, then shares, then with fish. So the shares is located in the etc folder. It's etc/fish. So let's move to this directory and see if something is there. So this is the directory it created when we install the fish command. Okay, but we already know fish is gone. What is fish? Nothing appropriate. This means it's gone. Because I have already installed, that's why we are getting all these other directories with the name fish. So let's forget about that. We know fish is gone. So to install a software package using the apt get command, we run the apt get install fish. Could not open the log file. Let's run it as a root user using the sudo. It says after this operation, this additional space will be added. So remember when we were removing, said it will be free, but here it need this space before we can install the software package. So yes, we want to install. Let's wait for the package to install. Alright, so this installation has been successfully done. That's it. That's how you can install software applications onto your Linux machine. You will see if the software was successfully installed or not. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first person to get in touch with. Thank you. Bye bye.